Is your Avanti dishwasher leaving you with a pool of water after each cycle? You're not alone. Drainage issues are one of the most common problems with these units. To understand why your dishwasher isn't draining, we need to look at the key components of the drainage system. Let's examine each part and how they work together. The drainage system has three main components. First, the drain pump, a small 25 to 40 watt centrifugal pump that moves water out of the dishwasher. Second, the drain hose, typically 5 to 6 feet long with a 5/8 inch diameter that carries water from the pump to your drain or garbage disposal. Third, the filter assembly, a cylindrical component that catches food particles and debris before they can clog the pump or hose. Here's what a dirty filter looks like in real life. You can see how food debris accumulates and blocks proper drainage. The drainage process follows a specific sequence. Water collects in the sump at the bottom of the dishwasher, then the drain pump activates to push water through the drain hose. The water flows from the sump through the pump and out through the drain hose to your garbage disposal or direct drain connection. Now let's look at the most common causes of drainage problems based on current service data from 2024 and 2025. The most common cause is a clogged filter, accounting for 45% of all drainage issues. Food particles and debris build up over time, blocking water flow. The second most common cause is a kinked drain hose at 25%. This happens when the hose gets bent or compressed during installation or maintenance. Garbage disposal issues account for 20% of problems. This includes clogs in the disposal itself or improper connections. Finally, failed drain pumps represent 10% of cases. While less common, pump failure requires professional replacement and is more expensive to fix. Understanding these common causes is the first step to diagnosing and fixing your drainage problem. In the next section, we'll walk through step-by-step troubleshooting to identify and resolve the specific issue with your Avanti dishwasher. Before we begin troubleshooting your Avanti dishwasher, safety is our top priority. Always disconnect the power and turn off the water supply before starting any repair work. Start with the easiest check first. If your dishwasher drains into a garbage disposal, run the disposal for 30 seconds with cold water. A clogged disposal is often the culprit behind drainage problems. Next, examine the drain hose under your sink. Look for kinks, bends, or damage. The hose should have a proper high loop that reaches at least 12 inches above the floor to prevent backflow. Now let's clean the filter assembly. Remove the bottom dish rack and locate the cylindrical filter at the bottom of the tub. Unscrew it counterclockwise and rinse it thoroughly under hot water with a soft brush. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Temporarily restore power and run a drain cycle. Listen carefully for the drain pump motor sound. You should hear a distinct humming noise. If you suspect a failed drain pump, professional replacement is usually necessary. The cost typically ranges from $80 to $150 for parts and labor. For dishwashers over 7 years old, replacement might be more cost-effective than repair. Prevention is the best cure. Clean your filter monthly, inspect drain hose connections regularly, and run an empty cycle with dishwasher cleaner quarterly. These simple maintenance steps can prevent most drainage issues from occurring.